Hi everyone. My presentation is about molecular docking and mutation analysis of Artemisinin resistant K13 gene. It is an in silico approach. I will talk about the malaria, which was remains the core of humanity, affecting hundreds of millions of people and causing deaths each year. I will talk mainly about artemisinin resistance, which describes the delay in clearance of P. falciparum parasite from the peripheral blood from the patient treated with artemisinin monotherapy, or the artemisinin based combination therapy. It is ACT. This mutation is in 2014 mutation in popular region of P. falciparum Kelch protein coding Kelch gene were identified as molecular marker of artemisinin resistance based on their association with the slow clearance phenotype. This is in 2014. This is, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
I hope you understand my talk. I sent you the it is my first time to use this application. Sorry for that. The term the Kelch protein, it is the result in proteasomal degradation of transcription factor. Okay, that is affect the clearance of the parasite from the blood. My research is about to follow if all type of artemisinin drug are resistant to this parasite or not. I'm trying to test the coumarin compound Ciscocamba longa. It's traditional antidote for malaria. 2040, the mutation in this region, in B. falciparum exactly, it is associated with the slow clearance of the parasite. Okay, I'm trying to test this mutation because it is a very important region. K13 function as ubiquitin ligase substrate adapter. This role is very important. It is a proteasomal degradation for the transcription factor. That is important in clearance of the parasite. My aim is to analyze and identify the currently available drug and coumarin analog for mutated K13 protein. Okay, I just used to in this research. I use previous study result, nucleotide sequence of sample. It is translated to protein sequence using GMARC-S. The Kelch sequence is containing 2 chain. I use it. I obtain it from the Uniprot KB Swiss Prot. That's just the site from where I claim the Kelch protein structure. And the ligand, I prepare my ligand from the PubChem, SASBi PubChem. It is about 4 ligand plus the coumarin. My result was that there is no mutation found in my sample from the previous sample that was taken from Damazin. It is an area in Sudan. But I think that it is a very old sample. The mutation appear now. There is many resistant to this drug, but no study done at this time. We find in our study there is no mutation in this region. Instead, we find that coumarin is a very strong antidote for bifalcibram, more than the artemisinin and other related drug. The Kelch protein mutation was found in Africa. Was found in Nigeria, in Ethiopia, and the region that I found my mutation is just it is just in this region, just near the region of Ethiopian K13 gene. I think that some of our sample come from Ethiopia. It is a border line country. My research will be I will make more study on that for the new sample and so on. We have published study in this region. We have published a study in this region in malaria resistant K13 gene. And I will send you the copy of the link of the study.
Thank you so much for your presentation. It would be great if you could post that link in the chat so that everyone could access the paper. Are there any questions from the audience? While we wait for the audience, I have a question. Could this work lead to better malaria treatment in the future? Niven, are you there? I see she's muted. Niven, are you there? Could you unmute your mic if possible?
Yes, yes.
So George has Natasha has a question. She asked, do you think there may be mutations in other genes that confer resistance?
Yes, it may be in another region of bifalcibram malaria gene. But I think that the time is also make a factor, because my sample, I did this study in 2017 or 18. My sample is 4 years later. I think that the time is can be make a very big factor, because now time, because many people die from malaria in my region, and they take the drug, mainly it is our first line drug, and they not come cure. I think that there is a mutation, but I cannot justify that it's is in this region or in another region unless study talk that. We will make another study in coumarin as a traditional antidote. It is accepted in China and another country as antidote.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your presentation.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And thank you to everyone who has presented today. We've had a really great afternoon of presentations.